These are my 3 top tips to help people get out of pain. Tip 1, exercise. I know everybody's sighing right now, but it's so important to move your body every day. You have to get the circulation flowing and the chi and blood to move every day, and that helps to create a free flow of chi and blood in your body. If you're in too much pain to move at all, I recommend breath work. Now, with breath work, you're still using your muscles and you're creating an oxygen surplus in your body, which helps to move the chi and blood as well. So that's another option if you're just feeling unmotivated and that it's just too hard or painful to move much at all. Step 2, you want to cut out processed foods from your diet. So this includes foods with seed oils and processed sugars. These are the 2 top ingredients that will just gum up your whole system. So it takes 90 days to get seed oils out of your system. So just be patient with yourself and get used to cooking for yourself. You know, that is what's going to heal you. So make the commitment and put some love into your food, because that will really help to lower inflammation as well. I know it sounds cheesy, but that woo-woo stuff works. And so you also want to add in healthy fats like ghee, butter, lard, fish oils, coconut oil, avocado oil, things like that. That's really going to help to heal your system. Just like when you watch The Wizard of Oz and the Tin Man needed oil because he couldn't move. That's what you need. You need to grease up your joints. Okay, so get those healthy fats in. Another thing I recommend is if you're wanting something sweet, to have a sweet potato, have beets, have an apple, have some rice. You know, really chew up that rice, and that is going to break out the glucose from the rice, and you will have that sugar satisfaction. And step 3, make joy a priority in your daily life. Whatever that may be to you, you can watch a funny movie, spend time with your friend. Even if you can't meet up in person, get on the phone with them, call them, have some good laughs, because laughter helps to relax the body, de-stress, and keep your cortisol levels low. So anything that brings laughter and joy to your life, playing with children, playing with your pets, just going for a walk out in nature and really appreciating the beauty is very good for the system, especially if you can do it barefoot, because being barefoot in nature really decreases the inflammation in the body. So let Mama Gaia help you out too. I hope you enjoyed these top 3 tips of mine for getting out of pain. Subscribe for more, and tell me in the comments what your favorite thing to do is to bring more joy in your life.